This is obviously ridiculous. Why do I have to trail on this train? In with these bunch of stupid losers. Get used to it, Evelyn. You've been complaining about it for the whole trip. What? Jay said. Evelyn, suck it up or else I will have to put sugar in your fuel tank. You wouldn't dare do that. That's enough, Evelyn. Glenn, now suck it up until we get to California. The sooner we get there, the sooner we can get away from stupid Everfail. You know? Don't call me Everfail. We can call you that whenever we want, Everfail. It's no wonder you are such a grumpy engine. I am fed up with working with her BNSF, this dumb railroad. I want to change a pace like working for CSX for a change. Ah, please. CSX is just a dumb railroad, bro, with bad engines who hate steam engines. I agree with Jefferson. You wouldn't dare last a minute with CSX, Evelyn. Well, I actually heard that they now have heritage units on their railroad now. Ah, you've gotta be kidding me. Nope. They're serious. They got new engines on their roster celebrating the fallen flag railroads that formed CSX. Alright, Evelyn. I need you to take a freight train to the CSX Sacramento subdivision. Fine. Fine. At least I can get away from these stupid losers. He's heading for trouble. Yep. Listen loud and carefully. You must be going at slow speeds through some parts of this line. Because there's a lot of residents living here. And if you cause a mess up, you'll be sent away for good. Yeah, whatever. I don't need a heritage unit telling me what to do. Suit yourself. But never mind the view. Look at the track. What a blockhead. I can do better than 25 miles per hour. Evelyn, careful! You're recklessly speeding again. Just drive me, driver. This is an easy job for me. Wait a minute, why is the signal yellow? Oh no. Oh. Oh, yikes! Oh. I'll send in the breakdown train. Evelyn, I am disappointed in you. I thought you could handle one job on CSX Rails for a change. But now you have failed again. As for that, you shall go to your shed and think about what you did. And not another word out of you. Just my luck.